everyone, today we have a very special unboxing. After weeks of waiting, we finally got our hands on the Ninja Luxe Café. So let's unbox it together.
Let's get into it. Right, so let's get straight into the unboxing. So exciting. Okay, that's box number one out of the way. Now let's take a look at some of the things that are written on the box. So up first, we've got the 3 machines all in one. Cafe quality drinks without the guesswork. Effortless espresso, single, double and quad shot. You can enjoy these on their own or as a base for lattes, cappuccinos and more. Then we've got the rapid cold brew and cold pressed for iced drinks and espresso martinis. And then we've got perfectly balanced filter coffee, classic rich and over ice from 170ml to 500ml. Not bad. Right, let's have a look on the other side. So on this side, we've got a picture of the Ninja Luxe with all of the different parts, starting with the bean hopper. This shields beans from UV light to keep them fresher for longer. It can also be removed easily to refill and change beans between your brews. Then you've got the water reservoir, 2-litre removable water reservoir. The steam wand steams milk and monitors the temperature to prevent burning. Self-cleans with the auto purge function. On the side, we've got the accessory storage used to store the double basket, Luxe basket, cleaning disc and brush. It also comes with a milk jug with integrated whisk, engraved fill lines for easy reference and an attached whisk for fluffy hands-free froth. Then there's the adjustable cup tray, removable stand with 3 different levels, minimises drips and splashing. And then on the side, we've got the integrated conical burr grinder with dial. Precisely grinds beans for uniform grounds. Choose between 25 grind settings from coarse to extra fine. Now, I'm not an expert on coffee machines, but 25 different grind settings sounds like a hell of a lot. Built-in scale, weight-based dosing to ensure the perfect amount of grounds every time. And then the modular drip tray, which catches drips and detaches for easy cleaning. Removable center tray fits a travel mug. And then last, we've got the easy to use control panel, intuitive display with grind recommendations and a progress bar. And then at the very bottom, we've got the portafilter, which holds the basket for grinding and brewing. The single, double Luxe baskets that sit inside the portafilter to hold grounds to brew your drink. The funnel, which sits on top of the portafilter to prevent grounds overflowing and assist tamping. And then we've got the assisted tamper designed to apply the right amount of pressure for the perfect puck. Let's flip it again. Okay, then on this side, we've got a picture of all the different drinks that this machine says it can make. We've got latte, cold brew, classic coffee, rich coffee, espresso, hot chocolate, macchiato, cappuccino, classic coffee, cold pressed, iced coffee, and affogato. That's quite a lot. And then again, it talks about the, I don't even know if I'm saying this right, the conical burr grinder. I have no idea. Ninja Luxe automatically recommends your grind size, or you can choose your own from the 25 grind settings. The built-in scale, automatic weight-based dosing gives you the perfect amount of grounds for any drink you make, no need to measure. Adaptive brewing and grinding continuously monitors and adjusts brew temperature and brew pressure. Calibrates grind recommendations for the next brew so you can get the perfect cup without the guesswork. And then we've got a picture of the machine again, sort of a little bit of a see-through picture there. The dual froth system, combined steam wand and integrated whisk. Temperature controlled steam wand and integrated whisk create decadent microfoam every time. 4 froth programs. Hands-free froth in 4 different styles. Steamed milk, thin froth, thick froth or cold foam. Let's flip it again. This one talks again about the integrated grinder, the automated brew programs, the 4 presets for the froth, steam milk, thin froth, thick froth and cold foam. I think we've gone through those already. Yeah, I think we've basically covered all bases now. So that just leaves opening this bad boy up. And let's see what we're dealing with. And then you've got welcome to Ninja Luxe, the intelligent system that guides you to the perfect cup. Now let's get brewing. Little QR code there that you can scan for tips, tricks, recipes, and more to help you get started with your Ninja Luxe. Right, let's stop talking and open it. Up first, I'm assuming this is going to be your instruction manual, all the safety, la-di-da, and hopefully a how to use guide. So up first, we've got here the inspiration guide. Interesting, let's have a little flick through. Getting to know your Luxe Cafe brew tips, how to brew espresso. So again, it's just taking you through all the different parts of the machine, what comes with it, the dual froth system. This one here shows you how to brew an espresso, and then you've just got literally all the different coffee combinations you can think of, from cappuccino to a cortado, which I've never heard of before. Classic mocha, even a chai latte, affogato, which, if you want to know how to make one of those, check out the link in the description. Espresso martini, Irish coffee, and the list goes on and on. Next, the quick start guide. So, you're pages away from the perfect cup. I really hope so. Meeting your tools, again, going through the different parts that come with the machine. The testing your water hardness. So I believe, much like we've got a DeLonghi machine, it came with a little water hardness test strip. So I reckon once we delve deeper into the box, we're probably going to find another water test strip, and this is just telling you how to test your water. Flushing the machine, prepping your machine, grinding the beans. Yeah, pretty straightforward little booklet. And then the boring part, the safety instructions. Right, what is this, I wonder? This feels quite heavy. What could this be? Ah, okay. I'm not too sure what that is right now. Obviously goes on the machine.
It's the stand, the adjustable stand.
Ah, well done. Maria just pointed out that this is the adjustable stand. So if you want to have a large cup, this would obviously go at the bottom, and then if you want to have a smaller cup, this would go higher. Well done. Okay, now the starter kit. I'm going to just move this box out of the way a bit so you guys can see the box a bit better. Let's open this up, see what we're dealing with. Oh, that would help. Welcome to your espresso and coffee bar. So here we have the box of the different baskets. That one looks like a single. This one looks like your Luxe, the gigantic shot. And then we've got, that's your tamper. That is a huge tamper. If you can see that, that is huge. That is massive. That looks like a tamping guide, potentially. I could be wrong. Yeah, no, I was right. That prevents grounds from overflowing. So this is basically like on the DeLonghi machine we have. That's your dosing, your tamping guide. Stops you spilling your grounds everywhere. Single filter. And we have the wow, this is huge as well. This is the portafilter. The size of that is gigantic. So yeah, that is the portafilter. Absolutely humongous. As you can see, that is huge. It has got a handy little red dot there, which I'm guessing is going to help aid you when you're pushing it into the machine and getting it to the sweet spot. Let's put those bits to the side and let's delve deeper into the box. Another bit of cardboard. Aha, oh, this is soft. You could even use this as a blanket, I think. There's your plug. Aha, this might be tricky getting this out. I wonder if I can just grab it like Santa's sack and just drag it out. Okay, so here we've got our little present from Santa in his sack. Whoa-wee, it is a big machine, but it does look very stylish, I must say. Right, let's flip it around so you guys can get a good look at the beast. Check that out. That is one nice looking coffee machine. Let's get this up as well. So, is this the water reservoir? No, that's at the back. Yep. Ah, this is the frothing mug, cup. I don't know what you want to call it. Ah, they really haven't skimped on size with their coffee machine. Everything is gigantic. But this is a really nice, thick metal frothing jug. I like this a lot better than the one that came with the DeLonghi machine. And I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but I think that part in there slots into the automatic frothing system, and somehow it does it automatically for you, so no need to froth your own milk anymore. Pretty cool. There's the froth wand, which you can move. Well, I suppose you don't need to move it in loads of different directions because it froths it automatically, but yeah, it only pivots up and then back. You've got a little purging spout there for when you need to clean the steam wand once you've used it. We were just talking about what this thick metal thing was, and Maria pointed out this is the stand. So that slots in at different levels. There's the first one, I believe. There's the second one. And then we spoke a minute ago about that red dot on the portafilter for matching it up. So down here, where is it? There's a red dot there. So that says insert with the red dot. You place it in there, line it up with your portafilter, and then you slide it across. Nice and smooth. Let's get some of these sticky things off. See what else we've got. And then here we've got the bean hopper. So looking at it already, looks like a pretty decent size. I won't know how many beans we can get in there until I fill it up, but looks pretty decent. Then we've got a little handle here which says turn to unlock to remove the hopper. So simply turn that there, and then this unit completely comes out, which is good for if you've got maybe one person in the house who wants to have caffeinated beans and another person who wants to have decaffeinated beans. Pop that back, lock that in place. And then at the back, you've got the 2 litre water reservoir. There is actually something in it that I need to take out. What have we got in here? Water filter installation. So this is your water filter, which pops into this here, and then you can set the date for 2 months. And then I believe that's how long you're meant to change them out, but we'll go through that in our first use video. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss that upload. Water reservoir back on. While we've got it sort of facing you guys at the side, I'll just quickly show you here. So you've got here the grind size. Move it that way if you want it more coarse, that way if you want it more fine. Probably shouldn't do it while the machine is off, granted, but I'm just showing you the dial. What's this, I wonder? I think that is for placing your tamper. I think I'm right. Yes, I am right. Look at me. Okay, now let's have a look at the front of the machine. So we've got another little QR code there. Start here. Scan here to get started. Have any questions? Call a dedicated Ninja Luxe Café specialist at blah, 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 blah for help getting started. So I'm going to leave that on there for now. Let's just check out this side quickly. There's also a little sign on the side here, gives you the drink sizes. Small is 175 milliliters, small plus 235 milliliters, medium 295 milliliters, medium plus 355 milliliters, large 415, large plus 475, and extra large 530 milliliters. And then you've got a little quick start kind of guide how to make flat white and also what froth setting to use, which is pretty helpful. Down here you've got the storage. In here goes the single and double basket, the Luxe basket, the cleaning brush, and the cleaning disc. So let's see what we've got in here. Okay, I must be missing some. I didn't open my cleaning accessories. How foolish of me. So just to go back a few steps, I'll make it quick. So here we have espresso machine descaling powder. We've got cleaning brush, the water hardness test, which I mentioned earlier, some espresso machine cleaning tablets, and then we have the cleaning disc here, I believe. Voila, you've got your accessories stored away nicely. And then the tamping guide, that also goes on this side, which Maria pointed out. And then lastly, you've got the little removable drip tray at the bottom. That is about it, guys, I think. So just before we finish up, I'm going to give it a quick measure so I can tell you guys how big it is. So here we go. The height measures at 36.5 centimeters. And the depth of the machine, 28.5 centimeters. And then the overall width of the machine, 29.5 centimeters, which isn't too bad. So first impressions, the machine looks really decent, really stylish. All of the drip tray and everything that looks metal is solid metal, which I really like. The display screen is pretty slick as well. I like the fact that you've got multiple froth settings. I like the fact that the froth is automatic, so you haven't got to worry about using the steam wand yourself. That takes away a lot of the hassle and stress. I also like the fact that not only does it come with a single and a double basket, but also the Luxe basket. I look forward to trying that out. And I like the size of the frothing jug. That is very impressive. And then of course there's the footprint of the measurements we just gave you. Overall, it's not too big. I think this would fit under most kitchen counters. And yeah, overall I'd say it's a pretty good looking machine.
Now the unboxing is done. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think of the Ninja Luxe Café. Are you going to purchase one or not?
Now stay tuned, because very soon we're going to be doing another video showcasing how this machine works and how to do your very first coffee. And also we're going to be doing a comparison with the Ninja Luxe Café against our DeLonghi coffee machine.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you in the next one.